Bonjour everybody, hope you're great and welcome back to my channel. If you're new and you don't know me, what's up? I'm OsvalDior and shout out to all my haters. Ha! So today we're gonna do the last tutorial about the Vol collection Morphe X Jaclyn Hill palette, and this one is Ring the Alarm. So this is what it looks like, and this is what it looks like. The look, what do you think about that? The lipstick is through, it's on point, and my eyeshadow, all the makeup, it's on fleek, and I'm naked, and I feel like, ooh, I feel myself naked, I feel myself with clothes, I feel myself every single day. Thank you God, we have to drink to that. So this one is what it look like, the palette Ring the Alarm. So this is what it look like, the color. Beautiful colors, reddish, brownish, mauvish, purplish when I say, and this is what it look like, the look. So this tutorial is gonna be Ring the Alarm, Morphe X Jaclyn Hills, and this is what it look like. I use it, the Jaclyn Hills brush as well. Oh my god, I feel so different because I'm naked. I'm never recorded naked, so I'm a little bit shy, but what can I say? Like, this is my life, this is my story, this is my YouTube channel. I do whatever I want, but at least I have beautiful skin. At least I can show you something I like, because you see, I'm confident, I love myself. That's why you have to be, you have to love yourself, and that's it, you have to feel in yourself as well. So we're gonna see the tutorial. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, let's go! Okay guys, so we gonna start about this beautiful makeup. This is what it look like. Oh, do you like it? So you see, I don't have nothing the other side, so you see the different, like, bitch, please. So now I just put it my concealer and my primer, and then let's go with that. So we're gonna apply the palette Ring the Alarm by Morphe X Jaclyn Hill palette. So this is the palette, like I already show you, a beautiful palette. You can do a lot of stuff, a lot of color, and you can do it a lot of look, obviously, but this look is pretty beautiful. Okay, so let's start about this. First of all, I'm gonna put it, ooh, of course I'm gonna use the Jaclyn Hill X Morphe brush. Of course, this is the point, because I already use it, like it's been like 3 weeks. I really love it. 3 weeks, I think 2 weeks, oh my god, 2 weeks, and I really love it. All the brushes are great. I put it for my foundation, for my concealer, and everything like that, and the eyes as well is pretty good. So you better buy this right now. So we're gonna put it, the shade Rush, right there, all over the eyes, just like this, all over the eyes. So pretty, this color, totally. And then on the bottom as well. Don't be shy, all have to be connected. Look, what a beautiful, like, can be for transition shade, or me, I put it all over my eyes. So next one, we're gonna put it this color, and this color is, let's see, we can see in the monitoring. So this color, we're gonna put it for transition shade, it's Mugshot. So we're gonna put it for transition shade. And then you put it a little bit here. Yeah. I put it inside the corner, outside. And leave it a little bit of space here. But you see? Ooh, it's coming. This color is coming. This beautiful look is coming as well. Yes. Perfect. So you just put it there and you can blend correctly, then together it's gonna be a better fusion. Like you can see, ooh, beautiful color. Yes. Okay, perfect. And then oh, by the way, I use it the GH40 brush from Jaclyn Hill X Morphe. So next one, we're gonna use it both color. So this one's gonna be Fragment and Secret. We're gonna mix it together. Just we're gonna put it inside and outside the corner. Inside, outside of the eyes. You know what I mean? So we're gonna mix it together. And voila. And then I'm gonna put it at the end, and then I'm gonna pass it a little bit on my crease, on the eyes, and then inside here. And then you pass back and front. The tutorial is coming. Oh la la. Do you like it? What do you think about that? Do you like it? It's pretty beautiful. Let's do it the first one here. Just blend it here. Perfect. This color is totally beautiful. I really like it. This look is pretty beautiful. And you see, we get it there. We get it there. Oh my god. Okay. Perfect. So next one, we have to cut the half of the shape. So for that, I use a flat brush like this, and of course I use the Jeffree Star Velour Liquid Lipstick and Drag Lord. So we're just gonna take a little bit here, and then we're gonna just do it, let's see, just the half. Oh my god. I'm just gonna put it on. I'm gonna dab it. I don't have to go so far. I'm gonna leave it like that. And then you let it dry. Oh, come through. You let it dry. So perfect. So this is what it looks like. And then we're gonna go again with Fragment and Secret. Those two, Fragment and Secret together, to just connect it with the cut crease, the half of crease. So we're just gonna put it together like this. You see? Gonna blend together like you see, yeah, like this. And then you see, you come through like the middle cut crease, we can say. Come through. This is beautiful. So you do it like this, you go back in front just for blend it correctly. Ooh la la. We're coming. And then with the GH41 and on camera, this one, we're gonna put it inside where's the white to have a little bit of pop. So it's already wet my brush. Well, thanks for hold up. I gotta wet my brush. Perfect. And then I'm gonna apply just here. Oh my god, you see? The pigmentation is there. Oh my god, I really love all the palette. The Vault is amazing. Oh my god, look the pigmentation, guys. Look, the pigmentation is amazing. I'm dying. Oh my god. Pretty. Okay, so this is, wow, you see, very easy, and it's so pretty. The color is pretty. I think it's done. This look is like, okay, it's look beautiful. We don't have to put it more because everything is there, everything is blendable. And then let's put it some eyelashes, and we will come back soon, guys, like always. Okay guys, you see, very quick, it's like beautiful look. You can recreate, yes, because if you know every step I said, and if you do it, everybody can do it, and it's gonna look like this. A pretty beautiful color, very like for soiree, for in the night. I really truly like it. And the pigmented, oh my god, do you see this eyeshadow? What is it called? Oh my god, on camera, oh my god, it's so pretty, and everything is pretty, everything is blendable. I really love the Vol collection from Morphe X Jaclyn Hills. Totally beautiful. 2 times up. I do it the 4th tutorial. This is the end of the tutorial. I'm so sad, girls, boys, you. But I'm gonna coming with other beautiful makeup, and this one is totally beautiful. The lipstick is very on point because I'm like, ooh, come through. Let me pose for you like always, guys. What do you think about that? What do you think about the makeup? Bitch, come here. Bitch, come here. What do you think about my makeup? Bitch, come here. I'm standing here like whatever. Oh my god, whatever. So this beautiful makeup is Ring the Alarm, the Morphe X Jaclyn Hill palette, and it's on top. I really love it. You should get it. You should buy it because it's pigmented, it's worth it, and this look is totally beautiful. So this is the end of the video, so don't forget to subscribe to my channel, leave message down below, and don't forget, you're beautiful, you're handsome, you're awesome. Bye guys, see you every Thursday for a new video, and you know you have to turn on the notification, then you're gonna be the first one and never the last. And you can follow me on Instagram, so you can add me OsvalDior on Instagram for see everything of story of us, some everything you want about me. You can have it there. You can DM me as well. Don't be shy. I answer everyone. So see you every Thursday for a new video, guys. See you.